As you can see, the tent is still upside down and there's something missing from it, and that's because we've taken it and placed it up onto the truck. It was our first and final fit, so to speak. You can see it right now. Slightly overhangs the front. Oh, by I'd say about 10 to 12 inches. But that's fine. We know that our tent is going to fit right up in there nicely. Yeah, we're calling it a sun visor. And on the back part, it is, I would say, hanging out maybe about an inch off the back, maybe an inch and a half. But overall, it looks great. You can see there's just a slight gap in there. He's kind of doing some straightening it out, you know, side to side, making sure that it sits evenly on around the whole vehicle. So it's looking good.